Hey, what's happening in Scotland County? Got a few things coming up I wanted to tell you about, but we are right here in the McDuffie pass-through, which leads in from Main Street to McDuffie Square, and I'm standing in front of the new mural, which was a project that was funded by the Arts Council of Scotland County. This young man from Hope County, actually he's born in Jamaica, relocated to Hope County. He's a teacher there, and he painted this beautiful mural. And I think it's worth everybody coming to check this thing out. It's a new feature for downtown Laurinburg, and I hope it's an attraction for everybody in the county and for others to come see. All right, I want to tell you some things that's going on. We've got Friday night, we've got a Scotland County Parks and Recreation Waterlogged event that begins at 7 o'clock. And it will be at the splash pad, and there'll be a water slide, music, disco lights, and that is $5 per swimmer. Got an event that's coming up at the Chamber office. The Chamber is located at 606 Atkinson Street in Laurinburg, and that event is the Amazon Hub Business After Hours and Ribbon Cutting. That will be on July 13th. It will begin at 5:30, and a little bit of information on what the Amazon Hub is. This is a way for area businesses to make some supplemental income. Come to the ribbon cutting, you'll learn some more about it, but if you'd like some more information, give us a call at the office. Our number is 910-276-7420. I'd like to see you at the ribbon cutting. Also, registration is open for Arts Council of Scotland County's Theater Camp. This will be put on by our storyteller, Mr. Tyrus Jones. The theme is bringing folk tales to life, and this theater camp will introduce students to many aspects of creating theater production. Activities will include acting, costuming, set design, and more, and the camp is limited to 25 students. Those camps begin on the 17th, and I think they go through the 27th, and it is for ages 7 through 17. It's $60 per student, and if you want some more information, go to storyartscenter.org. And also I want to remind you, just this way, the stage will be set up for our Hasty Realty Laurinburg After 5, featuring the Embers, who are going to be sponsored by Duncan. That will be on July 21st at 6 o'clock right here in McDuffie Square. That's right, we're moving Laurinburg After 5 to the McDuffie Square. The last three will be here in this location. I think it's going to be a great venue for Laurinburg After 5. There's shade, there's green space, some room to spread out. And this is a great feature for downtown Laurinburg, guys. All right. Hey, have a safe weekend, and we'll see you next week.